Hello there, everyone. It is a beautiful spring day. We are outside and we are going to decorate the front porch. Hello there and welcome to my home. My name is Lesa. I'm so glad that you stopped by. We are out on the front porch. We are doing some early spring decorating. The weather here is quite dusty and quite windy. So you'll see I have a lot to clean up first. I'm going to do that in the blink of an eye. With the porch clean and free of all that dirt, we are going to spruce it up with some faux greenery. I will be later adding all of the beautiful fresh flowers and plants, but we are still having freezing temperatures. We're not past that last frost yet, so I can't do that here, but we're going to at least make it look nice and inviting because Easter is coming and I want it to look extra special for any guests that stop by. Of course, every front porch deserves a beautiful rug. I picked this one up from Walmart several seasons ago. I like it because I can spray it off and it's easy to remove all of that dirt and sand. Now, this doormat is very heavy. It is monogrammed. That's why you will see the name covered up on there, but it was a gift and I have had this a really long time. I love it. It helps to keep my outdoor black and white rug from blowing away in the wind as well. These large pots are also something that I have had for several years. Pick things you love and that you're going to be able to use for many, many years to come. Because these planters are so deep, I have turned over a plastic pot from previous plants I bought that will elevate my topiary so they're the right height. My husband and I bought these spiral faux topiaries at Hobby Lobby when they were on the half price week. To cover up this empty space at the base of the topiary between the pot, I am using these rounds I ordered off of Amazon. They are made to go around the base of a newly planted tree to help hold moisture. I will link them down in the description. They just help to hide that big gap and cover up the plastic pot. You can get them in different sizes for whatever you need for your pot, but they make quick work of filling up this extra gap. Because we do get a lot of wind, I'm talking 40 mile an hour wind, gusts sometimes 60, 65 miles per hour. We get a lot of dust. I keep all my outdoor decor simple. I would love to put lanterns and candles and all that, but it's just not possible where I live. We also have porch pirates. They love to come and steal things from your front porch, unfortunately. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this other side with the other topiary. I just loved these. I loved the shape of the spiral and I loved the copper pipe with the finial that ran through the topiary. I think I'm going to be able to use this all year long for all the seasons, decorating them up throughout the year. I think they will look really nice at Christmas with some white twinkle lights on them. So I'm very excited for this purchase. Like I said, I think I will get a lot of use out of them. I have used this wreath off and on for the past few spring seasons, but I recently saw a similar one at Joann craft stores if you're interested in purchasing one for yourself. This front porch proves that less is more sometimes. This simple porch decor is the perfect touch for early spring, and I think it turned out beautifully. It will liven up even more when the weather gets warm, like I said, and we're past these freezing nighttime temperatures. Thank you so much for being here and watching today. I adore and appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Talk to me down in the comments, and I invite you to hit that subscribe bar, joining the Uniquely Lesa family. Most of all, I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.